Welcome children, welcome to science class. Today we are learning an interesting topic, different types of root system. Roots, these are the underground part of a plant, is called as roots. There are two types of root systems. The plant is having two parts. First one shoot system, second one root system. The upper part of the plant is called as root system. It is having leaf, stem, fruits, flowers and branches. Roots. It is holding the plant inside the soil and supplying to the minerals to the all parts of the plant. There are two types of root systems. Types of roots. There are two types, taproot system, fibrous root system. Now let us learn here. This is the taproot system. This is fibrous root system. The taproot system is having the main root in the is a single slender root. Welcome to science class. Today we are learning about an interesting topic, types of roots. The underground portion of the plant called a root. Roots are generally brown in color. All flowering plants have two main systems, root system and shoot system. The aerial part of the plant or above the soil of flowering plants constitute, which includes leaf, stem, flower, fruits and branches. The primary function of the roots fixes the plant in the soil. Roots absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil and conduct these to the stem and store as food reserve. Roots bind the soil particles and thus prevent soil erosion. Roots fixes the plant in the soil and hold strongly. Types of roots: taproot system and fibrous root system. Now let us learn about the taproot system. Taproot system consists of a single root called taproot, which grows straight down into the ground. Those smaller roots arise from the taproot are called lateral roots. Fibrous root system consists of a cluster roots arising from the base of the stem. They are thin and uniform in size. Tuberous roots. Some plants store food in the roots. Example, radish, carrot, beetroot, turnip. These roots bulge out and are called tuberous roots. Let us do one activity. How water absorbs by roots. Aim. How roots absorb water from the soil. Required materials: pillar, carrot, blue ink, a glass of water and knife. Procedure: take an empty glass and pour some water. Take an ink bottle and glass of water and pour 2 to 3 drops of blue ink in the water with the help of the ink piller. Now take one carrot and keep in the glass. Did you all observe it? We can observe after 2 days later. Then if you cut the carrot into half lengthwise and observe blue color appears in the carrot. Now we observe the blue color indicates that water move upwards in the carrot, showing that fruit conducts water. Roots fixes the plant to the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, store food in some plants like carrot, beetroot and radish. So these type of roots are called tuberous roots. Write the assignment. What is called roots? How many types of root systems are there? What are that? Write about taproot system and draw the diagrams of 2 roots. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't skip the video till the end.